Why you gonna do that, refrigerator? Why? Why? But I do it again. Yeah. Okay, hi, let's do it. Hi guys, welcome back to another skincare Sunday. Today we're gonna be playing around with 90% skincare and a couple of other things that are part of this collection that are launching really soon, or they might actually already be out, but I got early access to it and it was very exciting. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Rosé Take the Day Away and just the Rosé All Day collection from Physicians Formula. So we're gonna be playing around with skincare, and like I said, there is a little bit of makeup in this. There's some highlighters. And then there's also an illuminating setting spray. So I'm gonna swatch the makeup stuff for you and try out the wow, that's like a tongue twister. Illuminating setting spray at the very end when we're all done. I thought that there was no better way to show you the new stuff coming out from Physicians Formula than to just do it in a skincare routine so you guys can kind of see what's new and what's going on with them. I have a ton of stuff right here from them in this box. Without further ado, let's jump into today's skincare Sunday. So the first thing that I have here is the Physicians Formula Rosé Take the Day Away Cleanser. This is just going to cleanse our face. Do the basic. Do the thing. It brightens and tightens as well, apparently. But let's just see it. Let's do it. Whew, my clips. Gotta use my clips. Oh, I did not expect it to look like this. Does pretty good with getting makeup off. Now that our face is clean, I'm gonna move over to the Physicians Formula Lip Scrub. This is the Organic Rose Oil Lip Polish. Okay, hey guys, I took a shower really quick. So now we're on to serum. Physicians Formula has a ton of serums, well, at least those that I have in front of me. I wanna show you these three guys. They're so pretty. So these are the Physicians Formula's Vitamin Shot Skin Boosters. We have time restoring, we have brightening, and we have hydrating. So these are kind of like a serum you can use on their own, or you can mix this into any part of your skincare to kind of give it a boost. That's why they call it like a skin booster. We also have the Rosé All Day Serum. I'm going to apply this to my face just as a serum, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Skin Booster Vitamin Shot, the hydrating one, with it just to further hydrate. Then the next product we have is the Rosé All Day to Night Eye Cream. I have not used this yet, so this is the first time I'm using it on camera. So this is a day to night eye cream. It actually feels really nice. Like all these products, I would say Physicians Formula is definitely a drugstore brand, but more of like a high-ish end drugstore brand, if you know what I'm saying. Like these products are kind of up there. They're like $15, $20, some of them, but I'm definitely feeling like that more prestige high-end feel with a lot of these products so far, especially the Elixir and the eye cream. So we have two moisturizers. It's currently daytime, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Rosé All Day Moisturizer, which has SPF 30 in it. This also brightens and tightens. I'm taking it in that most of these products brighten and tighten. That's the whole point of the Rosé All Day, Rosé All Night collection. It smells good. Definitely has like a little scent of roses, but not like an overpowering scent. So then we have the Brighten and Tighten Rosé All Night Cream, and I want to just show you guys what it looks like. Oh, it is much of a heavier cream. Super super heavy, which isn't a bad thing. I don't mind putting heavier products on my skin at night. Has the exact same scent. I would assume that just from trying the day moisturizer and the night moisturizer, that the night moisturizer is essentially the same, but just a much thicker cream. And it feels really nice on my hands. Wow. I'm then going to apply the Rosé All Day Tri-Phase Beauty Elixir on top of all of this. If I was going to go do my makeup after this, which I think today for me it's going to be a no makeup day, but for the sake of this skincare video, I want to show you guys how this feels and what this looks like. I would probably use this as either a serum on its own or apply this right before I would apply makeup. I'm going to apply it after my moisturizer just to see kind of what it feels like, because I'm very interested in this product here. It definitely feels like super soft. It feels a little like oily, but it doesn't look oily. It looks more of just like a hydration of the skin. Alright, so now we have the Rosé All Stay Illuminating Setting Spray. You want to shake it, get all that brightening stuff mixed up in there. And you can even see just from the bottom how illuminating it is. Ooh, it smells really good. Alright guys, so that's it for really the skincare portion of this video. I do want to show you the Rosé All Day highlighters because one, they are super pretty and they're part of this Rosé collection. So this one is called Soft Petal. I love this like really pretty rose that they have on it. So here is Soft Petal. Literally that, like just a soft pink. This one right here is called Freshly Picked. Here's Freshly Picked, just kind of like your very pretty gold. Then you have Shimmering Rose. Here's Shimmering Rose. And last but not least, we have Petal Pink. So here are all of the shades. Definitely much lighter application than I thought they were gonna give, but I actually don't mind that sometimes in a highlighter because just on my hand, they do look super pretty and they're kind of doing their job. They're not like this blinding highlight. Sometimes I like the blinding highlight and other times I like more of the natural go-to highlight. So I definitely think that these would be really pretty if you're going for that more natural glow look rather than kind of like an over-the-top glow look. That's all I have for today's Skincare Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you are going to be picking up any of these products, please let me know which ones down below. I think the coolest one that we used today was definitely the eye cream. I was very surprised how soft and smooth and just very prestige and high-end that it felt. And definitely I'm really interested to keep trying the Rosé All Day Elixir. It's just a super pretty and very interesting product. So yeah, that's all of the info that I got for you. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on another Foundation Friday. And check out all my other Foundations Fridays right here on the side as well as my other videos. Love you guys. Have an awesome day and I'll see you soon.